Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both the AirPods Pro 2 and your device for pairing. Make sure the case and buds are charged above 50%. Low power can block firmware updates. Once done, unlock your iPhone or iPad and open Bluetooth settings so the pairing dialog can appear instantly. With the case lid open and AirPods inside, bring it within a few inches of the device. A setup animation should pop up. Tap Connect to begin the automatic pairing and allow any firmware updates that the device suggests. Once paired, customize behaviors to match how you use them. Go into Bluetooth AirPods Pro 2 settings to choose noise control modes, active noise cancellation for focus, transparency to hear surroundings, or off to save battery. Next, configure spatial audio and dynamic head tracking for immersive sound. Test with a supported track so you hear the difference. Also set press and hold or squeeze controls for playback and Siri, and confirm automatic ear detection is on so audio pauses when you remove a bud. Finish by testing real-world use. Make a call, play music, and walk around to confirm connection stability. If one bud drops or pairing fails, first toggle Bluetooth and restart the device. Then try a full reset by placing AirPods in the case and holding the back button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. Repair after the reset. If problems persist, update your device OS and the AirPods firmware, check ear tip fit, and ensure no interference from other Bluetooth devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.